We are going to add vectors. We're going to start off by adding two-dimensional vectors. So let's write down what the two vectors are. So we've got vector A here, which has vector 3, 4, and then we've got B here, which is vector 1, 2 there. So we're going to add these two vectors in a graphical way. So let's draw our axes here. And we're going to plot it such that the first element is plotted along the x-axis and the second element is plotted along the y-axis. So let's start with vector A and plot that. And so 3, 4 is there. And then we add vector B to that by starting vector B, the tail of vector B, at the head of vector A. So that's going to be something like this. So when we add those two vectors together, what we get is we get 4, 6. So that's our vector there. So when we add those two vectors together, we are getting this vector here. So what we're doing when we're adding vectors in a non-graphical way, we can do this by adding each element with a corresponding element in the other vector. So in this case, we're adding 3 and 1 together, and we're adding 4 and 2 together, which gives us the 4 and the 6. So we can apply that then to higher dimensional vectors that we can't represent graphically. So let's look at a 4-dimensional vector. So we've got vector A here, and then we have vector B, and what we're saying is we want to find vector C, which is vector A plus vector B. So vector C then, we're going to add this element by element. So we've got 1 plus 5, which gives us 6. We've got 2 plus 6, which gives us 8. We've got 3 plus 7, which gives us 10. And we have 4 plus 8, which gives us 12. So we're adding those on an element by element basis.